The butterfly method for comparing, adding and subtracting fractions. First we will learn how to compare fraction in this method. Let us take two fractions 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. We have to compare 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So in butterfly method, first we will multiply 2 and 4. 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Then we multiply 3 and 3 this way. So 3 and 3 we will multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. Next we will multiply the denominators 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Now let us compare these fractions, that is 8 by 12, then 9 by 12. So we know 8 is smaller than 9. So 8 by 12 is smaller than 9 by 12. That means 2 by 3 is smaller than 3 by 4. Let us take another example. 2 by 6 and 5 by 9. The same way, first we will multiply 2 and 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Then we multiply 6 and 5. 6 times 5 is 30. Then we multiply the denominators 6 and 9. 6 times 9 is 54. So left side we will get 18 by 54 and on the right 30 by 54. So 18 is smaller than 30. So 18 by 54 is smaller than 30 by 54. That means 2 by 6 is smaller than 5 by 9. Let us take another example. 5 by 6 and 7 by 8. Here we will multiply 5 and 8. 5 times 8 is 40. And then we will multiply 6 and 7. 6 times 7 is 42. Then we will multiply the denominators 6 and 8. 6 times 8 is 48. So we got the fraction here 40 by 48 and the other side 42 by 48. So 40 by 40. 40 by 48 and 42 by 48. We know 40 is smaller than 42. So 5 by 6 is smaller than 7 by 8. Let us take another example. 3 by 5 and 1 by 2. So we will multiply 3 and 2. So 3 multiplied by 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Then we multiply 5 and 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Then we will multiply the denominators 5 times 2, that is 10. So here we got 6 by 10 and here it will be 5 by 10. So 6 by 10 is bigger than 5 by 10. So 3 by 5 is bigger than 1 by 2. Let us take another example here. 2 by 6 and 3 by 4. So we multiply 2 and 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Then when we multiply 6 and 3, 6 times 3 is 18. So here 6 times 4 is 24. Here we got 8 by 24. So here we got 8 by 24 and here we got 18 by 24. When we compare 8 and 18, 8 is smaller than 18. So 2 by 6 is smaller than 3 by 4. Let us take another example. First, we will multiply 4 and 10. 4 times 10 is 40. Then we multiply 6 and 3. 6 times 3 is 18. And then we multiply the denominators 6 and 10. 6 times 10 is 60. So here we will have 40 by 60. And here we will have 18 by 60. So 40 is bigger than 18. So 4 by 6 is bigger than 3 by 10. Now we will learn how to add and subtract fractions by using this method. So adding and subtracting fractions in this butterfly method. First we will learn how to add fractions in this method. Let us take an example. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. So first we will multiply 2 and 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Then we multiply 3 and 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Then we will multiply the denominators 3 and 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So we got 8 by 12 and 9 by 12. Now we will add 8 by 12 and 9 by 12. That means 8 plus 9 by 12. So 8 plus 9 is 17. So 17 by 12. Since it is an improper fraction, we can change it into a mixed number. That means 1, 5 by 12. Now let us take this example. 2 by 5 and 4 by 7. Here we multiply 2 and 7, we got 14. Then when we multiply 5 and 4, we got 20. Then we multiply the denominators. 5 times 7 is 35. So here we have 14 and 20 as numerators. So we will add the numerators. 14 plus 20, that is 34. Then the denominator 35. 34 by 35. Let us take another example. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 4. Here we first multiply 2 by 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Then we multiply 5 and 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Then we multiply the denominators 5 and 4. 5 times 4 is 20. So the numerators are 8 and 5. We will add the numerators. 8 plus 5 is 13. And the denominator is 20. So 13 by 20 is the answer. Let us take another example. Here 3 by 7 and 5 by 2 we will add. So first we will multiply 3 and 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Then we multiply 7 and 5. 7 times 5 is 35. Then we will multiply the denominators, that is 7 and 2. 7 times 2 is 14. So here the numerators we will add first 6 and 35. 6 plus 35 is 41. And the denominator is 14. So 41 by 14. That means it is an improper fraction. We can change it into a mixed number. That means there are two 14s in 41. So then the remaining 13. So 2 13 by 14. Let us take another example. Here we have 3 by 4 and 2 by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 2 is 8. And the denominators 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So we will add 9 and 8. The numerators 9 plus 8 is 17. And the denominator is 12. 17 by 12, that is 1 5 by 12. Let us take one more example. Here we have 2 by 5 plus 1 by 4. So we will multiply 2 and 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Then we multiply 5 and 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Then we will multiply the denominators 5 and 4. 5 times 4 is 20. That means 8 plus 5, we will add the numerators 8 and 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. So 13 by 20. Let us take one more example. Here we have 1 by 3 and 8 by 6. We will add 1 by 3 and 8 by 6. First we will multiply 1 and 6. 1 times 6 is 6. Then we multiply 3 and 8. 3 times 8 is 24. Then we will multiply the denominators 3 and 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Now we will add the numerators, that is 6 and 24. 6 plus 24 is 30 and the denominator is 18. So 30 by 18. Since it is an improper fraction, we can change it to a mixed number. Here we can simplify this fraction by using a common factor first. So 6 is a common factor of 30 and 18. That means we can divide the numerator and the denominator by 6. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So we got 5 by 3. Now we can change this into a mixed number. So 1, 2 by 3. Now we will learn how to subtract fraction by butterfly method. For example, 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. So first we will multiply 3 and 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Then we multiply 4 and 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Then we multiply the denominators 4 and 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So we have 9 by 12 here and 8 by 12. So we will subtract 8 by 12 from 9 by 12. That means 9 minus 8 by 12. That is 1 by 12. Let us take another example. 10 by 3 minus 11 by 4. First we will multiply 10 and 4. 10 times 4 is 40. Then we multiply 3 and 11. 3 times 11 is 33. And then we multiply the denominators 3 and 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So we have here 40 and here 33. So we will subtract the numerators. 40 minus 33. 40 minus 33 is 7. So we got 7 by 12. Thank you.